Hey friend, this is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here on the sound design channel. Today I'm recreating this pad called Vibing, and it sounds like this. If you want to listen to it in solo, this is how it sounds like. Really wobbly. Now if you want to listen to it in context, amazing for breakdowns. And if you want to get it, you can get it over here in the description below at Production Music Live's website. This is the Feelings #2 pack for Serum 2. But now let's get started here with the sound design. We're gonna initialize this preset, and this is how it sounds like. Just a saw wave, a usual saw wave, but we're gonna start by using over here pretty much just putting the volume down. And we're gonna do here warp from B. We're going to do phase distortion from B, but we don't have B, so let's activate B. This is going to be also a saw wave. Level all the way down here. And octave up. But now with the phase distortion. So you can listen to it. Now we're going to do a lot of automation here with LFOs. So the first LFO is going to be a triangle. We're going to set it to a free triangle. This is going to use Hertz instead of BPM. And we're going to put the Hertz a bit up. Somewhere over here. Now we're going to put this first at the A fine. Without B, just so you can listen. This creates a little bit of wobbliness in the pitch. Now activating B again. LFO 2, we're going to put this as a sine wave. So basic sine wave. We're going to assign this to the pan of A. Something like this. And to the pan of B. But we're going to first modulate the sound. This is also going to be free, and we're going to put this to Hertz again. That's pretty much it for now. Now the third LFO is going to be a Chaos Rossler LFO. Nothing happens because we haven't assigned it yet. So we're going to put this here as retrig to Hertz and a little bit down. Something like this. Now we're going to assign this to the level of B, and we're going to put this to 100%. Can activate trip dot, but that doesn't make much of a difference. Now third, we're going to go here into wavetable, Serum wavetables, analog, and we're going to choose here in analog an alter. Wavetable position a bit differently. Level a lot down. Now noise, we're going to choose a SID noise. Level all the way down and pitch just a tiny bit differently. But again, LFO number 4, we're going to now choose a Chaos Lorentz, and this is going to be a retrig also. Let's first assign it to something. Let's assign it to the noise. Make sure to assign the X, not the Y. Now we're going to go again to Hertz, and in Hertz we're going to just put it a bit lower. One difference that we're doing here, we're putting the release a bit up. So this feels more like a pad more than anything. And we're activating the filter MG Low 18, A, B, and C. So we have a little bit of the noise cut off a bit down, somewhere over here. Now we're gonna get LFO 4 and put it a bit in here. LFO 1 also a little bit, just a tiny bit. And we're also doing this with LFO 5. So LFO 5, let's assign it already. But we're picking this and put it pretty much at this dot. You can hold Alt and you can see how it remains at the dot. But slightly before it. And we're gonna put this somewhere like here. This is going to be envelope, hertz, and a bit smaller. Back into the filter, we're not going to do anything in the drive, in the fat, or in the resonance. Well, we're going to put the resonance all the way down. Now, effects section. And in the effects section, we're going to go into the distortion. Add a bit of distortion here. We're going to use tube. We're going to put the mix a bit down. But, and here's the cool thing, we're going to go here in the LFO 4X, and we're going to put this in the drive. So you can see a boost of loudness because we get more drive out of this chaos LFO. Now, delay. 1/4, feed a lot higher. And pretty much, we're gonna put this a bit down. And the Q all the way down. A bit less wide as well. Now reverb. Low cut a bit up, but first let's make this into a hall. Size a lot up and decay a bit up as well. Wet also a bit up. Now we're gonna add a compressor just to tame a little bit of those sound peaks. Just because we tame a little bit, I'm just gonna add just a smidge and take a bit of the mix out. Cool. Now we're gonna go here into a delay. Ping pong. We also have select ping pong over here. So ping pong in both delays. 1/8 dot here. A lot more feedback. Q a bit up. Frequency out. Q down. And a lot more mix. Filter, just to end this, we're going to select here miscellaneous and we're going to go to combs. But cut off a lot up. Bit of dampening. Now, if you want a less excited sound, you can just go here in the cutoff and put it a bit down. And you can also play around with the cutoff. And just create automations with it to make it even cooler. And all these automations are available in the presets, so you can just play around with the mod wheel. Adding more delays, adding more pretty much everything, adding portamento, all in the preset for you to check it out. Hope that you like this preset, and if you liked it, you can get it over here in the description below. This is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Ciao.